How about a mini versus a full tummy tuck? This is a really popular question right now online, and a lot of people like the idea of a mini tummy tuck. Let me tell you what it's all about. A mini tummy tuck is basically a abdominoplasty or a tummy tuck that's done through a smaller incision at the bottom. Same type of place as for a full tummy tuck, just the incision doesn't go quite as far. And the dissection isn't as far, the surgery itself is not nearly as complicated. Basically, with a full tummy tuck, you take the skin and fat off of the abdominal wall, you go all the way up to basically the breastbone, and then you can tighten the muscle, you make a new belly button, you make it look awesome, you pull really, really tightly. With a mini, you don't do a lot of that. You do this a very small incision at the bottom, you take some of the skin and fat from underneath the belly button, and then you close. So a much smaller operation with a much lower downtime, but also much lower results. Why I almost never do a mini tummy tuck is because most women and men that come to me for tummy tucks have a lot of extra skin, not only below the belly button, but above it too. The mini tummy tuck does nothing for the skin above the belly button. So there's very few people who are candidates for a mini. And every time I do a mini, I'm like, man, I wish we would have opted for the full tummy tuck because I could make it look so much better. I could pull so much tighter. But if you're the type of person that's in really good shape, don't have much fat, and just a little bit of extra skin underneath your belly button, a mini might be right for you, but there's very few people that a mini is right for.